Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a super exciting video, and it is my May favorites. And this is the first time I've filmed one of these just because I haven't been on YouTube that long, so I felt like I needed to wait a little bit before I do one of these favorite videos. So I think I have a lot of good stuff here, some solid good recommendations, and I've just been blown away by the stuff I've tried in May, and I'm super excited to film this video and to show you guys what I love during the month of May. So the first thing that I want to start with is skincare and things that stood out to me during the month of May. And in the beginning of May, I filmed a travel bag, what's in my travel bag video, and I showed a bunch of new stuff that I had bought because of I did like a facial at Sephora, and so they recommended a bunch of stuff for me, and I was like, okay, I'm definitely gonna try it. So the first thing was this Laneige lip sleeping mask, and you guys, I've used the crap out of it, and it is just transformed my lips. I'm not kidding. I use this as like a lip balm also. Like I put on my lip liner, and then I put this over, and it's just, this has been the best thing ever. I put it on before I go to bed. It truly feels like it nourishes my lips, and it's just, this is my holy grail of lip products now. Like, I suffer so badly of chapped lips like all year round, no matter if it's cold or hot or whatever, but this has just changed my lip game. I love it, and I feel like it's kind of affordable for like a good lip product, and I feel like you guys really need to check this out. The next thing I got when I went to Sephora that day to try out some skincare, they recommended, again, the same brand, the Laneige stuff, and this is like a Korean beauty brand, and I've always wanted to try Korean beauty, and my next thing I want to try is that glass skin. I don't know, we'll see how I do with that, but it's just a lot of products and maybe a little too fussy for my liking. But these Laneige products, they came in like a little set, and it's for minimizing pores, which I'm all about, because with me, the main thing I suffer with is pores, and you may not be able to tell with all these like bright lights on me, but right in here is where I really suffer from like pores and stuff like that, and I just want to do anything I can to minimize my pores. So this little travel thing was amazing. From when I was on vacation, I used a lot of the product. Like, you know, it's not like you can buy this little set and use it for months on end. No, but this was just, I love that I could try it, and I enjoyed every single one of my products. So I'm gonna just go through and show you everything that they had. So the first thing is this water clay mask, and it is like a typical, oh gosh, a typical like clay mask. I used this like 3 times, and I still have a lot because I don't really goop on a lot, and I only put it where I need the pore minimizing. So I feel like this is gonna last me another good few times. But it reminded me of the Glam Glow mud mask, and it's really good. I enjoy it. When it dries, you can see all your pores. It's cool because you can see everything that's coming out of your pores and stuff like that. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. It's pretty good size, and I'm excited to use the rest of this. So the next thing is the multi cleanser for all skin. I love this cleanser. It is so good. The only thing that freaks me out is it has grit. So you put it in, it has a little bit of grit, smells really good. All these products smell really good, but when you wash it away, your skin is like squeaky clean. Like when you, I don't know how to explain it. It's the strangest thing. You have to feel it for yourself, but it's like literally like when you're rinsing it, you can feel it, like it's squeaky clean. So you know it got everything, and that's kind of what I like about it, is that you know that it got everything. A lot of people don't like that squeaky clean kind of feeling with the cleanser, but I don't know, I kind of enjoy it. So yeah, this has been really good. So the next thing in here, which I used a ton of, you can see, is the skin toner, and I never used a toner before. So I've been wanting to get into using toners, and this one is super affordable. Like even like the large size, and the big one is like huge. It's like this big, and it's only $28, which I feel is super affordable for like a good skin toner. And I've really seen a difference with this stuff. I mean, when I was on vacation, I felt like my skin looked amazing just using all of these products. Like I wouldn't I would go out and buy all these full-size products, to be honest, because I loved it that much. But yeah, so this is a toner. It is super good. It smells really good. I just put it on a cotton pad and I rub it in. So I for sure think I'm gonna go out and buy the full size of this. And then the next thing is this hydrating gel cream, and I'm almost out of it. It's super good. Smells lovely. Like, it feels super hydrating. I use it for night and day, and I just felt like it really did hydrate my skin, made it beautiful and like a good base for putting on makeup, and just this stuff is amazing. Then the last thing that comes in this little set is this Blur Perfector. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm just told to put it on after I do all this. I'm told to put it on after everything, and it's like a Blur Perfector, minimizes your pores. I don't know. I felt like it did really good job on my pores, and I don't know. I just think all these products were so good. I was blown away, and I really, really, really enjoyed it. And I may go out and buy this set again just so I can try it again and be like, okay, this stuff is good. I'm gonna go and splurge on the whole set. But so I may get the travel size again because it's lasted me a good, this is now week 4 almost, I feel like, using these products. So I will see, and I'll keep you guys updated for sure on that one. Next, I want to do a standout product for me, and it is this Clinique Even Better foundation. This is the best. I love it so much. It is super natural. It really is your skin but better, and I'm just blown away at how much I've loved this. I use this in hot, humid weather in Florida, and it's just amazing. And I love that it has SPF in it, so it did keep my skin from getting burnt. And I use this for the beach because, I don't know, I'd like to put on foundation on the beach instead of just like gooping on the sunscreen. Why? If this has sunscreen in it, you might as well put foundation on. I don't know, that's just my thinking. But so yeah, I love this. This is so good, and I'm in the shade Buff, and it's just been amazing. So another standout product for me, and this is probably my favorite product of the month, of the year. I feel like I don't think I'm gonna find another powder that is as good as this, and so get used to it because you're gonna be seeing it a lot on my channel, because I don't know, what's the point in getting another powder if you found one that you love so much and is so comparable with like your foundation? So it is this peach powder. It's always like in and out of being sold out, not sold out, not sold out, not sold out. So, you know, if you can get your hands on this, I highly recommend it. You just need the littlest amount. You don't need to cake this on. This will last you forever. I use this every single day when I was in Florida, and since then been using it every single day, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And the smell just makes it so much better. So yeah, I highly recommend this. So another thing that I haven't really shown, I don't think I've shown it on my channel yet, but I got when I was in Florida, and I'm so glad I did. And it is this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, and which I didn't know they had more shades. Did not know that. And so when I was there, I was like, what shade do I get? Like, what's the one that everyone likes? And it's the color Bronzer. But when people say it smells really good, they're not lying. This thing smells so good. It comes with like a little mirror and a little sponge thing, which I would never use for this bronzer. But this is such a good bronzer. I love it. I love it for contour especially. I take like my Morphe, what brush is that? Not sure what brush it is, but I take my Morphe brush and I like chisel out a little bit with this bronzer. It is so good. It's perfect color, blends out perfectly. I'm obsessed. So good. You guys need to get your hands on it. I went to like 4 different stores to try and get it. That's how bad I wanted it. But yeah, I'm so glad I got it, and you guys really need to check it out. So another thing that was a lifesaver for me when I was in Florida was this Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder in the shade 1 Fair. I like it because it's definitely brightening. I don't use it for like an all over kind of face powder. I use it for my brightening and to touch up. This thing, I had it in my little touch up. I have like a little Chloe touch up bag that I put in my purse, and I use this little MAC, what brush is this? MAC 167 brush, and I just use it. I put it in here, and then wherever I feel like I need to touch up a little bit, I just pounce it all over the skin. So for a great touch up, this is kind of pricey for like a touch up powder, but you guys, like, the stuff I use, I feel like is kind of long wearing, but you know, like once you go past a certain point, you're like, okay, like I can't even blame the makeup. It's been on my face for like 12 hours. So this powder just transforms your makeup back to looking like you just put it on. I love it. This thing is amazing for touch-ups, and I feel like it's super important to carry something that's good for touch-up, and I just cannot say enough good things about it. I love it. The last makeup-y item is this Soft Glam palette. You guys, I cracked the mirror. Don't know how that happened. That's what happens when you bring, you know, nice makeup when you travel. But this, there goes the brush. But this has just been the best eyeshadow palette, and my sister was obsessed with it. She was using it with me when we were on vacation, and this is just the perfect neutrals. I love neutral colors, and it has some pops of colors. Like you could do a good burgundy rose gold kind of look with it, or you can do like a really natural purple soft gray kind of look. It's just the perfect eyeshadow palette. Cannot say enough good things about it. Super pigmented. This will last you forever. I love it. When I was doing that travel bag video, I said that I got these Tiffany makeup wipes, the of the day kind of makeup wipes, and I love these. I love them so much. My mom hated them because she said that they were too dry, but I don't know, I just feel like it really does take off my makeup. Like it's super oily. I don't know, it just makes everything come off really easily. I'm not a huge wipe person anymore ever since I used my Basha makeup breakup cleansing oil, but these are so good. They're super nice for traveling, and I feel like these were great to have on vacation. I used a lot of them. It says there's 50 in here. I probably have like 25 left, but yeah, these are so good. Highly recommend them. Now I'm gonna show this dry shampoo, and I don't know, I go back and forth with whether or not I like using dry shampoos. I know it clogs your hair follicles, all this stuff, but you know, what are you gonna do? I don't want to wash my hair every day. Like it just takes too long to blow it out and to do everything with it. So, you know, that's why I was like, I need to invest in like a really good dry shampoo. And this is the Macadamia Professional Style Extend Dry Shampoo, and it's true. It really does style extend. This is second day hair, and I feel like my hair looks like more volumized than when I first did my hair, and like, I don't know, it looks clean, and it's just, I can't say enough good things about this dry shampoo. And I know all girls want to have a good dry shampoo. I found it for you. I found it. Just go out. Honestly, I got this at TJ Maxx, and this is a really good brand also, and they always sell it at TJ Maxx for like half the price. You really need to go out to your local TJ Maxx, Marshalls, I'm sure they have it at Marshalls too, and just go get it. Just go get it. I promise you, you will not regret it. It smells so good. So good. Like you're on a tropical island somewhere in Bora Bora. We all wish. But yeah, just go out and get this because it's amazing. But this is just, I have a few like little fun items that really stood out to me, like going on vacation and stuff like that. And these are my Tom Ford sunglasses. I'm obsessed with these. I've always wanted a pair of Tom Ford sunglasses, and they just are the best. They feel like really high quality, and you can see they're just adorable, and I love the high shine. The high shine just makes me super happy with how shiny these glasses are, and I love the color of the lenses. They're like a gradient kind of look. I don't know if you can really tell on here. They may be really dirty, sorry, but yeah, these are the best sunglasses ever. They're super pricey. I don't know. There's nothing I can say about that, but they're super pricey, but I feel like really worth your money. And they, most of the times, like if you go to like an outlet or something like that, you can find these for a really good price. And, but yeah, I really highly recommend these Tom Ford sunglasses. They're so good. I will link them down below. Amazing. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys is, I've said it in a couple of my videos, like that I have a huge perfume collection, and, people are like, oh, let me see your perfume collection, blah, blah, blah. But I'm like, I don't know. I don't feel like that's really fun. Like, you guys can't even smell it. So I'm going to sit there and try and describe scents. I don't know. I'm not a really good describer in scents. I'm not. So we'll see. Maybe I'll film it. Maybe I won't. But anyway, so I'm just going to show you guys maybe my favorites, like my favorite perfume of the month or whatever. But it is definitely this Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf perfume. I'm not even going to try and describe the scent to you. all you have to know is that it's amazing. I'm the type of person, I like musky smells. I don't like florals. I don't like rose smells. I'm not into it. Yes, flower bomb. You would think it smells like flowers, but no. It's definitely very musky and sweet, which is what I like to lean towards, is sweet kind of musky smells. You just have to go smell this in person. Like, go to Sephora, go to Macy's, go somewhere, just smell this. You will know what I'm talking about when you smell it. It is just amazing. Amazing. And it really is like a summer scent to me. Like, I feel like I keep smelling it, but it smells so good. And it lasts all day long, and I just feel like this is like the perfect summer scent, and it's just so good. And look how cute this little bottle is. I love it. When it sits on my shelf, it's adorable. I love it. So that is it, you guys. I think I overloaded you on all these products, but it's just things that I truly feel passionate about and that I love, and I feel like you guys would love it too. And I will keep you guys updated on those skincare items, and I have a bunch of cool videos coming up that are super exciting, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh?